So I'm gonna tell you how you can delete your OnlyFans account. So if you've decided to delete your OnlyFans account, the process is pretty straightforward. First, log into your OnlyFans account using a web browser, and once you're logged in, go to your profile and open the settings menu. From there, look for the account section. Scroll down until you find the option to delete or deactivate your account. Before proceeding, OnlyFans may ask you to complete a security verification step, such as entering a verification code or solving a CAPTCHA. If you're a creator, make sure you've canceled any active subscriptions and withdrawn any remaining balance from your account before deleting it. Otherwise, you may lose access to those funds after the account is removed. Once you're ready, confirm the deletion request and follow any on screen instructions. Keep in mind that account deletion is generally permanent, so make sure you've saved any content or information you want to keep beforehand. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.